Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. This video will demonstrate how to quickly check which software is installed on a Windows computer using both the GUI and PowerShell. This program list can be useful when taking an inventory of your environment or preparing for a reinstallation of the operating system. The list of installed applications in Windows can be found in the Settings application. Here, you can view information about the application version, developer, installation date, and size. However, exporting the list of installed applications to a text file from this interface is not supported. You can also view the list of installed applications through the Classic Programs and Features Control Panel applet. It also provides basic details about the installed software. However, it does not support exporting the list to a file. Therefore, to obtain a list of installed applications in text format for further processing, use command line tools. Nearly all web guides recommend using the WMIC console utility to generate a list of installed applications. However, this command line tool has been deprecated and is no longer installed by default in Windows 11 24H2 version. The PowerShell cmdlets get package can be used to list installed programs. It displays not only classic Win32 and MSI installed programs, but also Microsoft Store applications, but the command output includes considerable extraneous information, making it inconvenient for direct use. Querying the WMI class Win32 product is another popular way to get a list of installed programs. Although this query takes considerable time to complete, its output provides a clean list of programs with all essential information. However, this method has one significant drawback. Querying the Win32 product WMI class will trigger Windows installer to perform a consistency check to verify the health of each installed application. You can confirm this by checking the Windows application event log. This consistency check could result in a repair installation, which could have undesirable consequences for the installed software. Therefore, we recommend avoiding using this method for software inventory. In my experience, the optimal and fastest way to build a list of installed programs in Windows is to query the registry. There are several registry keys in which Windows installer stores information about installed programs. Next, I'll demonstrate how to extract installed program information from the registry using a PowerShell script. You can find the script code in this video description. We query each registry key in turn and save the list of programs with the required attributes to a variable. Let's print the resulting list of programs in the console. Using the count method, you can find the number of programs installed on a computer. The resulting list of programs can be easily filtered using PowerShell. For example, I want to list only non-Microsoft application. You can easily export the list of installed programs from the PowerShell console to a CSV or TXT file. That's all. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more tips. Have a nice day.